Hey guys, how to receive money on Krak. To receive money on the Krak app, you can hit request at the bottom left here. And you have two options. You can search by Krak tag or email if the user is if the person is using he or she using Krak or Kraken basically, you can search them by Krak tag or email. Or you can use a pay link where we're gonna generate an address using our pay link method, right? So let's say I want to be paid $100. You can use your local currency or choose crypto as a payment method, right? So you can see right here BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., etc. Once you select your asset or your currency, head here the arrow to continue, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna create $100 request pay link. If you want to add a note, something to maybe verify the transaction or whatever, you could just go ahead and add a note here, and after you finish, just hit forward, and maybe they're gonna ask you for a bank details from the app's deposit section to your bank, okay? Or the client will be paying you using the link. Maybe they will be asked for bank details or their address will be generated, of course, to pay up using crypto. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.